Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix poor call quality in Samsung Galaxy S23. If you're using Galaxy S23 and you're facing the issue that your call quality is so poor, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to clear your microphone and your speakers of your phone, because sometimes it might be that there might be any dirt or dust in your microphone speakers. So you might have to clear them. Once you've done, your issue, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you can go ahead to settings tab here and in settings and just go down, go to sound and vibrations, scroll down, go to sound quality and effects, and from here if you're using the earbuds or Bluetooth devices, you can enable Dolby Atmos. After that, if you enable this adapt sound, so I recommend you have to disable this from here. You have to disable your adapt sound, so it will help you to get a best quality of your call. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. You can also maximize or check your app sound setting, or you can also enable your loudness normalization, or in your equalizer. I recommend you have to select normal from here. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, keep a numbers on your phone app here. Click on this eye icon or info button here. Go to storage and click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. It will clear all the junk files and temporary files from your phone app, because sometimes it might be that your phone has as your phone app some temporary files, so you might get these type errors. And once I've done this step, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, you can go back to settings here, go to software update section, and try to check for updates, to check for pending software updates. You have to also make sure that your mobile network is strong, because sometimes it might be that your signal strength is weak, so you might get these type errors. Or you can also go ahead to your settings app here, go to general management, select reset, and select reset mobile network settings. Here, just select with which SIM you're facing the issue. Let's say it might be a SIM1 or a SIM2. Just select the SIM and click on reset settings, then click on reset again. It will reset your network setting of your SIM1 or SIM2. Once you've done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just scroll down the control center, click on this power icon here, click on this restart button, and then click on reset button again. It will restart your phone, and after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.